Good morning, Algebra 1. So what we're going to do today and tomorrow, we're going over 11.3, which is multiplying rational expressions. So I have right here a couple steps for us. The first step is to factor completely. Then we're going to remove common factors from tops and bottoms. And then we're going to set the removed factors equal to 0 and write all remaining factors and the excluded numbers. So that seems like a lot. I'm going to walk you through this. Tomorrow it'll make a lot more sense because today we're just doing the very small versions of these. So example A is 5x times 6x, 5x over 3 times 6x over y. So we're just going to multiply across the top. So 5 times 6 times x. You know me, I like to put all my variables at the end and I like to group them as I multiply. And then 3 times y. Okay, if you'll notice here, I've got a 3 on the bottom that I can cancel out with the 6 on top, which is going to leave me with a 10x squared over y. Since all I did was cancel out that 3, 3 doesn't equal 0 anyways, so I can't set it equal to 0. We're setting all the variables equal to 0, so that's going to be our answer for that. Example B. Okay, so for example B, I'm going to go ahead and start canceling out when it's like this because I can sit here and say I have a singular C here, singular C there. I have a singular A here, and I'm going to take that one of those out of the cubed. I've got a singular B here, and I'm going to take one of those out of the B squared. I can also do 4 divided by 2, which gives me 1 down here and a 2 up here. I'm going to multiply what I have left. So I've simply got 2a squared on the top, and I've got 3 times 1 times b, which is just 3b. Here, however, I have completely removed a c and an a from the bottom. So I have to say when a does not equal 0 and when c does not equal 0. So we put a little semicolon between that, and we've actually got our answer for this one. Now, I'm going to have you guys just multiply and simplify for me, and tomorrow we will get into more detail about all of the setting equal to 0 because it's a lot easier to see. If you take a variable out of the bottom, it can't be 0. But it's harder to see with the x minus 2 being taken out of the bottom. How do we do that? Okay, that'll be in tomorrow's lesson.